In front of us here sits the Box Skullcandy Stomp XL Bluetooth speaker, and I can't wait to get inside this box, so let's get at it.
All right, so we can see all the contents of the box right there. You got your Stomp XL speaker, and then we're just going to take a look at where all the connections are, your inputs, like your microphone, and then your 3.5mm jack. And then below there, that's where your power cable will connect to. So it comes with the power cable there, of course, your quick start manual, and a cool little sticker.
Now, the manufacturer says that this is a full frequency wireless speaker with beautiful bright highs and rich mids and punchy bass, but I'll definitely let you know what I think about the bass of the Stomp later. Now, before we talk about all the great features, let's connect via Bluetooth, and I'll be connecting to my trusty laptop right here. And I just want to point out that the speaker uses 5.3 Bluetooth technology, and that allows for a transmission of up to 33 feet.
So the first step, of course, you want to make sure that you are connected or using battery power, and then turn on the speaker. Is that circle button right there. And then once it's turned on, we can flip over to the back and hold the Bluetooth button down for 2 seconds. And then after that, you just want to enable Bluetooth on whatever device I'm connecting to the laptop. And you can see they're connected almost instantly. And now the status LED will no longer be blinking.
All right, so what kind of features does this beast of a speaker have to offer? I thought you'd never ask.
Well, it's definitely an outdoor speaker with an IPX5 water-resistant rating, which basically means the speaker can be caught in a full-on downpour and still crank out the tunes. Not only that, this speaker can handle any size room and any number of people that you can put in it. With a simple press of a button, Multi-Link can connect up to 99 other Skullcandy Bluetooth speakers. Now what do you think of that, cat? Stomp XL also features a LED light bar and strobe light that syncs with the music, and we are watching a live demo of that right now. And all you have to do to switch up the effects is just press the light show strobe light button right there.
And what I really like is, with up to 12 hours of battery life, I can keep the party going all night.
Plus, it has a USB A and C charging output so that your mobile devices can always stay charged, and the aux is a 3.5mm jack and microphone input, offering a simple way to enjoy audio from various gadgets without a wireless connection.
During my sound test that I conducted in a separate video, I found that this speaker really delivers an impressive clear sound. And I can confirm that the bass boost technology really works, delivering a deep and punchy bass. But my favorite part is, no matter how much you crank this up, the volume, the sound does not distort. It stays nice and clear.
Overall, this portable speaker has a solid build with an integrated carrying handle that you can see there, which makes it easy to take your music anywhere. It's a great speaker if you want powerful sound with deep bass that all the cool cats will love, especially my cat Rain right there.
I hope you guys found this video informative and a wee bit entertaining. Notice I switched that up. I usually say little. Anyways, I hope to see you guys all in the next one. Bye for now.